Let's begin our questions from our friends from the press. I have it here. We start with Richard Paglikawan from Lionheart TV. For Richard and Gerald, your role here feels very grounded yet intense. How did you prepare physically and emotionally for your characters? We saw the videos na nag-stunt training kayo. So, was that easy? Was that hard?
The physical training, well, for me, that's my procedure is every time I enter or sign up for a project, I really prepare myself physically, mentally, and spiritually. Because it's not going to be easy.
Yeah.
All of this that we're doing now, the things that the end product that you see, grabe ang sakripisyo at pagod at hirap na pinagdadaanan namin. But we do it with passion. We do it with love for our craft, love for our audience. And more than the physical preparation, I think it's really the mindset. You have to be able to collaborate. You can't just always get what you want, and you're working with a great team. You're working with a great team, and you just have to really prepare for your character. That's my personal preparation.
Right. Jay, ikaw?
Well, may isang eksena ako na hinahabol ko yung character ni Richard na isang malaking kutsilyo ako. Nakahubad ako noon, so nag-diet ako. Tapos, nung nag-cut, sabi sa akin ni Richard, nag-diet ka na? Sa loob, nag-diet ako. Take note, madaling araw po namin kinunan yun.
Hindi kumain the whole day.
Fasting. Akala ko kasi mga dinner time namin kukunan. Medyo pamadaling araw na sa ko. Oh my God.
Kailangan rip ka?
Medyo syempre, I'm a moral warrior, di ba? Gusto natin medyo katotohanan.
Yun yung physicalization niya.
Yung physicality naman. But tama sabi ni John, yung physicality medyo madali na sa amin. And we have a good guide with Erwin Tagley na kakaibang fight moves na makikita nyo in the series. It was more, really trying to get into the character, kung sino ba talaga siya, what does he represent, gano'n kalaki responsibility niya sa mga, I think this is one of the first times in TV and Philippine TV history na isa sa mga bida ay isang Moro, isang Muslim. And we're trying to, mag-shed tayo ng light sa mga brothers and sisters natin sa Islam.
Thanks, Jay. I go to Erwin. Erwin, lahat ba ito dumaan sa training sa'yo? Mula kay Baron hanggang kay Bella?
Oo, lahat kami.
Lahat yan?
Good evening, everyone. So, isa sa mga challenges, nung nakausap na ako ng Miss JRV, may deadline, may training. So sabi ko, since may deadline, kailangan required talaga mag-training sila kahit isang beses. Para lang magkaroon kami ng same language pagdating sa set. Kasi iba-iba yung style ng ibang stunt coordinators at iba yung style ko. Para pagdating sa set, nagkakaintindihan na kami. Kasi we're expecting na darating kami sa mga yung maghahabol ka na next day na yung air. Kasi katulad niyan, deadline, nag-shoot pa tayo, maghahabulan yan. So we're already expecting and assuming na mangyayari yun. So meron na kaming ginawang template during training para pagdating ng shoot, kakabit lang namin, A, B, C gawin natin, or D, E, F, and then dagdagan na lang natin ng konting ganito. So, may naka-ready na kaming templates sa lahat ng action scene.
I'm curious, anong klaseng training ang ginawa ni Bella, ni Barbie, ni Baron, sa'yo?
So, meron akong basic template nga. So, it's about, before the moves, before anything else, ang pinapractice namin, safety. So we go to the safety first, we kailangan may control, dapat hindi masaktan yung mga partners sila kasi sila maglalaban eh. So ayokong saktan ni Richard si Bella or si Gerald, saktan si Barbie pa nag-fight sila. So we already assuming na magkaka-fight yung lalaki at babae. So yun talaga ang finokus namin, yung safety na mukhang totoo pero may control.
Okay, I wanna hear Barbie and Bella. Paano training, gano'ng ka-intense ang tinuro sa inyo dito? Barbie?
Well, actually, surprise, okay. Wala pa kasi ako doon sa, hindi pa ako nagtitaping na
May
gagawa
fight
ako
scene.
ng fight scene.
Okay.
But, I live super close to Kuya Erwin's studio. So, from time to time, tinuturuan ako ni Kuya Erwin, nandun ako with
May head start
his
na.
kid. Ang galing ng anak ni Kuya Erwin.
MJ, actually, lahat sila, nag-secret training pa yan lahat.
Yes.
Bago sila mag-official training ng
What's
show.
secret training? Ako baga parang...
May official
Lahat kami
training ng
nag-text
show.
sa kanya, Erwin, pwede mauna na ako kasi baka magagaling na sila. Eh. So,
Competitive?
Ganyan ka ano yung mga artista
Nagtanong
natin,
pa ako sa
dedicated at talagang
Oh, sige, Bella, go ahead.
Nagtanong pa ako, may tinatrainan ba na iba si Gerald para magta-train din ako doon? Wala naman. So, yeah.
Anong klase training sa'yo, Bella?
I did Muay Thai with Erwin and then we did yung
it's more of
choreography for
basic
knife.
mixed martial arts para may konting Muay Thai. Lahat
Okay.
ng martial arts.
Kamusta?
And guns and
Pasa-pasa kami.
Pasa-pasa?
Pero on the
Pasa-pasa
side,
kami ni Bella.
o pasain kami dalawa. Pero on the side, I did my own stuff also. I rented out firing ranges. Nag-aral ako on my own also.
Okay.
Para lang makasabay ako kasi lagi mo ka-eksena si Richard eh. So, si Richard din ang taon na yan nag-aaral, di ba? So,
Bata pa lang kami.
tsaka bata pa lang artist na si Richard.
Bata pa rin tayo, no? Nagtitraining na kami.
Si Baron naman. Baron, ikaw. What training did you have to go to? I know marunong ka na mag-action, but did you have to do some refresher or new stuff?
Yes, a little bit of refresher with Sir Erwin. And since birth din I was already competing back in the day when I was 6 years old So parang konting lang, taekwondo naman yung
Right.
sa akin. So yeah.
Parang alam mo na yung rhythm, no, Baron? Parang
Medyo mabilis ng konti pick up.
Right.
And syempre, because of the past action series na nagawa ko, ang laking tulong po nun.
Okay. Sa ating mga well-respected actors, ayan well-respected ang ginamit ko, Romel Tito Jaime, Tita Susan, Direk Bobot. Kayo rin ba may mga action scenes kayo dito?
Tito!
Kasi datu eh.
Tito Jaime.
Tito Jaime,
Hindi
datu.
maraming.
And meron naman konti lang. Hindi na kaya ng katawan. Pero meron din kasi akong background sa Tai Chi. So,
Tai Chi, iba yun
nakakatulong
yung
din
ganon?
ako. Hindi, pero merong mabilis na Tai Chi.
May mabilis.
Merong mabilis na Tai Chi. Meron pang yung Tai Chi sword. So, in other words, ang importante para sa akin kasi pag magkukuha ka yung legs mo Yung legs ang pinaka-importante parte ng katawan pag mag-action ka. So, yun basically ang exercises ko is geared towards that.
Direk Bobot, ikaw, did you have to,
Hindi ko pa alam, pero kaya ko pa naman, kaya ko. Nag-action din ako ng mga bata pa ako, pero siguro kaya ko pa rin mag-action kung bibigyan ako.
Nice! Ayan narinig na ng mga directors, mukhang bibigyan ka na niyan. Romel, did you have to, oh yeah, of course, it's your...
Oo, meron.
Okay, action star yan.
May mga eksena.
Lover boy pa.
You're a lover boy.
Naisingit.
Oo, tsaka, may mga eksena na nakakasama naman ako ng mga action. At hindi naman nawawala sa katawan natin yan Lalo na pag inutusan tayo ng mahal sa buhay natin mag-action sa bahay.
Mag-a-action?
Oo, lahat ng ayaw nila, ginagawa ko pa rin. Ayaw nila maglalaba ako.
Okay, Tita Susan, ikaw ba? Meron ka bang action scenes dito? O wala naman? Wala naman. Okay.
Pero si Tito Sudmet, yung first scene namin actually, yung nagkasama kami sa first scene namin, napaka-intense, napakahirap na hindi ko sasabihin ano yun,
Okay,
pero
okay.
abangan nyo,
So, wala pa yun?
napakahirap na pinagawa sa kanya. Sobra. I think si Direk FMR yun, di ba? Sobrang hirap doon. Actually, naawa na ako, sabi ko, hirap yan kasi medyo on the spot But we had a consultant, hindi ko sasabihin ano ang eksena niya, pero abangan po nyo sana.
How was that, Tita Susan, without spoiling?
Abangan niyo lang po ang word na yempo.
Yeah.
Tama.
Okay, sige. Okay, abangan namin yan. Okay, we have a question here from Natalie Tumada of Philippine Star to our directors and our creators. What was the casting process for the lead stars? Ano ang naging pitch niyo for Richard and Barbie for them to work on the same project for the first time? So how was the casting process? Ano bang nauna, kwento o cast? Cast. So it was a project for Richard and Gerald.
Yes, that's the first.
JRB, please use a microphone.
That's the first challenge.
First challenge, Richard and Gerald.
Yeah, that's the first.
So yun ang sinabi una, JRB sa'yo. You have a Richard Gerald serie.
Yes.
Okay.
And yun na.
Oh, I remember this, the meeting.
Yeah, imagine.
Sa 15th floor, yeah.
Imagine, sa parang si Tita Cory, grabe. Hi, naman Tita Cory. But you know naman, Tita Cory, she always naman, ginaguide naman niya kami. But syempre yung task talaga, I want, yun. Tapos then came Bella. Then came, syempre, Barbie namin. And then came Felix. And then lahat na. But I forgot lang, hindi nasabi nyo kanina, lagot kayo sa akin. I just want to give credit to Varla, our makeup head.
Why?
I told you, kayong dalawa. Because the idea came from her, Varla kasi. Yeah, the idea
Sa kanya?
Yeah, it's just an idea. He got us sa napakagandang image ng Vinta. Kasi di ba, after Tita Cory told us na maggawa ng show para sa dalawa, namumroblema kami. Pag upo namin, taping pa ng Sins of the Father yan, finale. So itong si Bob Varga, ang ganda. JRB think Vinta. Nakuha lang niya kami sa Vinta. Yun yung idea!
Kinuwento niya sa akin ni Varga yan nung bumisita ako sa set.
Diba, Marisa, magkakasama?
Oo.
Yun, so that's true. So yun, nag-spark na dun yung kwento. So it just goes to prove na, di ba, yung parang walang may monopoly ng idea. So even the slightest, idea, pwede mong palakihin and sa tulong-tulong ng lahat, di ba, nabuo.
Here we are.
Ang ganda. So,
Diba?
yun. May next challenge yun naman ako kay Tita Cory, paano sustain Tita Cory.
O, di ba tapos na yung mga challenges kanina, pero doon pa rin si JRB, di ba? Sa challenges. Pero ganun talaga. Marami talagang pagdadaanan na pagsubok ang isang teleserye kasing laki ng Blood versus Judy. Okay, we have a question here for Bella Padilla from Reggie Bonoan. Reggie from Bandera, Bulgar, and Malaya. Bella, first time mo bang gumawa ng action series? Nakaka-excite pa ba ito kumpara sa rom-com? At paano mo i-rate ang sarili mo bilang action star? Lalo na sa mga mahihirap na eksena.
Actually, hindi naman pala first action kasi nasa probinsyano ako nung kakabalik ko lang sa ABS-CBN.
And you did 10,000 hours?
I did 10,000 hours, but that's a movie. So, hindi naman siya first, but I didn't have action scenes in Provinciano. Mas nasa drama side ako. Kung yung rating as an action star, I think kailangan ko itanong ka na Direk. Kasi hindi ko pa alam eh. Thank you, Direk. Direk,
10 daw sabi ni Direk Joy eh.
Sabi mo sa mic, Direk, para marinig ko. Huwag mo ikwento. Ang favorite ko pala na nakunan ko yung car scene. Parang mas gusto ko maging car driver na lang. Stunt na car driver. Mas exciting pala yun.
Pero you felt comfortable with action, Bella?
Yeah, I mean, I've been doing Muay Thai since I was 16 dahil sa family namin. Si Tito Robin ay pinag-Muay Thai kami bata pa lang. So kami magpipinsa, Muay Thai kami dati. Tumigil lang ako, I think, nung naging active na ako sa pag-artista. But nag-airsoft kami dati. So marunong rin kami mawak ng baril, mag-assemble ng baril. So it's not the first time I'm doing something like this naman. But syempre, I wanted to look the part also. So yeah.
Thank you, Bella. Another question from Reggie for Richard. Paano mo ikukumpara ang Blood versus Judy sa Incognito sa lahat ng mga bagay? Story, action, etc. At maraming locations din ba ang mapapanood dito? Kasi yung Incognito parang you venture to different places.
Yeah, it's hard to compare. It's totally different show, I think. With Blood versus Duty, we really wanted to focus on the storytelling, the journey of each character. You know, talagang piniga dito yung bawat kwento ng ng mga characters. We intensified the storytelling, and of course, we elevated as well in theme doon sa story yung action. You know, so it's totally different. Malayong-malayo sa Incognito. I think Blood versus Duty, you know, we have a great team here also, and I think we're gonna kick some ass with this one.
Okay, alright. Thank you, Richard. Actually, may second part yung question ni Reggie. Anong pakiramdam mo na kasama mo ang sa series ng Love of Your Life? Sorry, dito lang isa.
Sino nagtanong?
Si Reggie.
Reggie?
ka ba napapayag, no, to work together in a project?
No, of course, why not? I think I've been wanting to work with Barbie, of course. Kaming dalawa, we've been, working hard for years and years, and I think it was like a conversation. What if we work together?
Right.
What are the possibilities? And I think it's an exciting journey, and we're guided by great creatives, great directors, and JRB unit loves Barbie, and it's my first with the JRB unit, and it's an honor for me to be part of this group, and it's been good so far.
A quick reaction from Barbie when it was offered to you na magkakasama kayo in the series.
Actually, I was still in Sins of the Father when Miss Julie told me. Patapos na kasi po yun. Tapos sabi ni Miss Julie, lumapit siya sa akin, sabi niya, may show tayo ulit.
Wala ka pang idea.
Wala pa po akong idea. And I'm so grateful. Sobrang grateful and thankful ako sa JRB unit. Kasi after Batang Quiapo, ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-work.
Okay.
So grabe yung ng teleserye. So grabe po talaga yung pasasalamat ko, of course, kay Miss Julie, sa lahat po, kila FMR, kila Direk Bijoy po, Direk Rico, kaya Erwin, Sir Sinon, and Sir Dindo. Grabe nila ako i-guide kasi po syempre kinakabahan ako kasi syempre si Richard, Gerald, Bella of course, and Baron, sobrang galing nila. So ako po talaga yung pinakakabado kasi sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang gagaling nila. Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na sila. Ako yung may right mag-sabi. But yeah, I'm so happy kasi patay ba ako? Sorry po. Kami kasi ni Richard, mahilig si Richard manood ng mga films, kung ano-ano, and ang dami niyang ideas. Minsan, out of nowhere, ang dami niya ng plano. Ang dami niya ng sinasabi ng mga ideas niya every time we watch a movie. And we wanted to work with each other, matagal na. So I'm very thankful and grateful for this opportunity po.
Parang ako, I'm very happy for you, Barbie, because this is your first primetime lead.
Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! Yes.
Diba? Parang
Yeah.
after ilang years na? 10?
Ako?
Yeah.
11 years.
11 years! Diba? PBB.
Yeah.
Finally, congratulations,
Thank
Barbie.
you, MJ.
Thank you, Reggie. The next question is for Gerald. For Baron first, from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insight. Ang question ni G is for everybody, including Baron. No? If whoever wants to reply now, the series touches on heavy themes like conflict and religion. So on a personal level, how do you deal with these real-life issues? Ang hirap talaga pag yun ang paksa, no? Religion and conflict. So paano niyo yun, on a personal level, paano raw yun dinideal?
Ako po, binabase ko lang po lahat sa script. So, nandun po, tumatakbo yung utak ko, yung mundo ko.
You trust the writers?
I trust the writers, I trust all my directors here, kung ano yung sinulat nila. Because they know best.
Yeah.
Kasi sila po yung nag-research. And pag may mga hindi po ako naiintindihan, talaga lumalapit po ako kina Direk Rico, Direk FMR, Direk Bijoy. And nung pinanood ko na po kanina, talagang napawaw talaga ako. Sobrang galing ni Richard. Sobrang galing ng lahat ng actors dito. Si Bella, si Direk Jed, this woman, si Lady in Red. Sobrang galing. So sobrang grateful ako kay Ma'am JRB na ikinast po ako dito. Biglaan din po ang pagkasa akin dito. So hinablot po ako sa BQ.
Oo.
At naipasok po ako dito ni Tita Cory.
Right.
Tita Cory. And ayun, wonderful cast. Tito Jaime, everyone. Talagang I'm a fan ng lahat ng mga tao dito. So,
Alright. Thank you, Baron. Maraming salamat. Gerald and Richard from G. How was it working together for the first time?
So far, so good. Sobrang, it's like parang meron akong partner in crime. Syempre galing din po ako sa Sins of the Father. Medyo Amazing cast, amazing writers, okay? Pero syempre yung parang yung bigat ng ano, parang umikot sa akin. And now we have, kumbaga parang there's two of us, and then napakaganda ng kwento ng side ni Marcos, napakaganda ng kwento ng side ni Jalil, and paano nagka-clash yung dalawang kwento na yan. But working with him personally, we had a fight scene, not the fight scene na nasa trailer, but the other one, medyo pamadaling araw kami natatapos. And I was like, kind of expecting na baka, pagod na rin kami the whole day, nagtatakbuhan, naghahabol lang kami, binaparil ako ni, hindi pala ako pwede kwento yun. Pero kinahabol ako ni Felix, character ni Baron. So, I thought hindi namin matatapos, but yung energy niya was the same as no 8 a.m. in the morning. So, when you get to work with people like that, I mean, buong cast, but when you get to work with people like that, na sobrang passionate din, kahit mahirap po yung ginagawa namin, it makes it all worth it.
Can't complain, di ba? Chart, where do you get the energy? Kinakwento niya.
From him, also. Kasi Gerald is energetic too. Like, yun nga, he was saying na we were doing a fight scene madaling araw, di ba? Of course, he's athletic, and I have to up my game as well, syempre. And, we're guided by Erwin Tagle, who's also very energetic. So,
to say the least.
So, yun, pag fight scene, pag action talaga kahit anong oras pa. But it's great working with Gerald, such a team player. Gaya nga ng sabi niya, siguro, what he was trying to say is meron kaming kasab. Pare, sub muna, di ba? Kumbaga may papasahan kami ng bola, and and it makes things lighter. I mean, in terms of pressure and everything.
Paano yung sub?
Hindi
Ako
naman.
muna, ikaw na muna.
Kumbaga yung workload namin, kasi syempre yung workload namin,
Yeah.
so he's doing my storyline si Jalil, my storyline si Marcos, and I think that's what makes the story great as well, the series great. Na paano mag-intertwine yung story namin dalawa, it makes it very interesting.
Kanina nga dun sa screening namin, sa abangan part na parang nakita yung dalawang characters namin ulit na nararamdaman ko yung energy sa crowd na parang magkikita sila ulit. And that was actually the fight scene na sinasabi ko na hindi kami sumuko. And it's very hard na but it's been a blessing.
Who's your director doon sa fight scene na yun?
Si Direk Rico ata yun eh. Si Direk
Rico, how was
Direk
it
Rico.
directing Richard and Jay?
Hindi mo ko
Kaya mo yan.
Hindi, madali lang kasi
No, kasi I can say Rico is the youngest, with all due respect, to Direk MM and Bijoy, di ba? So Rico, paano mo hinandle tong dalawang to?
siyempre, kinaguide naman ako ni Direk Erwin.
Okay, tag team kayong dalawa.
Si Direk Erwin lahat yan. Ako lang magpupwesto ng camera and yung mga shots, pero fight scenes sa kanya talaga yan. Tapos,
Yeah, pero
may mga bato rin sila. So lahat yan.
Yeah.
Collaboration.
Nagbabatuhan kami ng
Nagbabatuhan
ideas.
kami ng-
Oo.
Tsaka
Kaya,
bote.
lahat yung nabato namin.
Pero when you say, I think something that we can be proud of dito, kapag sinasabi mo fight scene namin, katulad ng pag napanood nyo kanina or sa trailer, kapag may fight scene, lagi pong may laman yung fight scene namin. It's not just a fight scene para to say na gumagawa kami ng action. There's always a
May kwento rin
kwento
yung fight.
behind it. So
Yeah.
pag napanood nyo po kung bakit ko siya yung nahabot ng Chris, may dahilan po yun. Kaya sana po sa simula pa lang ay mapanood nyo, masimulan nyo because there's always a reason. For me, necessarily, hindi yung pinaka-fight scene ang pinaka-importante sa akin. It's what it leads up to. Yan ang importante, para mas sabog pag
Okay.
nakita. Yeah.
So, when we create the fight scene, maraming inputs, ingredients, di ba? So, hindi pwede lumagpas naman yung action dun sa story. So, talagang we have to sit down and think about kung ano talaga yung papakita. Siyempre, we follow the script, but siyempre, we talk also, then, daming inputs from our actors. But, yung nakita nyo, yun yung finished product. Lahat yun, collaboration ng lahat. Ng directors, creatives.